we can see whether we can prepare this problem now. Okay, solve this problem. So if you see for a sole trader concern, the preparation of this fund flow statement, it will be the same manner only. First step, your statement of changes in working capital, then your fund from operations calculation, either based upon your account or a statement format, depends. Okay, and then the next is your fund flow statement preparation, final step. But if you see for joint stock companies, you'll be having shares, debentures, all those things, and you'll be finding out whether issue of shares or issue of debentures, redemption of shares or redemption of debentures based upon the question. That is for joint stock companies. But in case of a sole trader business, no, you don't have share capital. Okay, he is going to do his business on his own. He is not going to depend upon the outsiders external support, or he is not going to the capital market. Stock market is not going to that, and he is not going to mobilize funds from that. So there only you will be in joint stock companies only, you will be having shares and debentures. You will be finding out issue or redemption, and you will be based upon that you will put in either in sources or in applications last step. But here no, here it is only capital. So usually sole trader business, no, they will do their business based upon the do their business and maintain their books of accounts based upon single entry system. Okay, so there are two methods. One is double entry system, other one is single entry system. Double entry system means dual aspect concept, debit and credit, all those proper rules and regulations, some standards, some principles, if they adapt in preparing their books of accounts, means they are following double entry system na artham. So single entry system generally it is followed by sole trader business, because அவங்களுக்கு வந்து obligation கிடையாது books of accounts maintain பண்ணனும்னு. Just they want to know profit earn பண்றோமா loss incur பண்றோமா, they want to know that one only. So they will be maintaining their books of accounts under single entry system. Okay, so they will be maintaining under single entry system. Now single entry system maintain pani, they will be preparing one statement. In that statement, final answer will be your profit or loss made during the year. No, ஒரு statement prepare பண்ணி they will be finding out profit or loss made during the year. இப்ப இந்த question if you go through, no, இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா வந்து யூசுவலா நம்ம first current assets, current liabilities லாம் எடுத்துருவோம். அதெல்லாம் as usual how you did for joint stock company, same ditto only here also you are going to follow for preparing your statement of changes in working capital. First step that will get over. Now second step is what? Fund from operations you have to calculate, for which either you adapt adjusted P&L account or you'll be preparing the statement account. It depends upon the question. Okay, so now if you see adjusted P&L account means any profit and loss account liability side is there. In previous question we had, but in this question it is not there. Okay, so you cannot prepare in that way. Next, if you see any net profit is given to you here, no, they have not given here net profit. Okay, so here only we have to prepare. First of all, net profit தான start ஆகுது நம்மளோட. இது எப்படி adjusted P&L account start ஆகுது? Only if they give you profit and loss account opening and closing balance, your adjusted P&L account starts there. And similarly net profit detail இருந்தாதான் we will prepare a statement format and we will calculate funds from operations. But here net profit is not given. So usual normal joint stock companies na net profit இருக்கும், அது கூட depreciation items, transfer to general reserve, goodwill written off ஏதாவது இருந்தா அந்த format அப்படியே அடாப்ட் பண்ணி அதெல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு we will be taking. But here net profit is not there. Profit itself you don't know. So for that purpose, no, we will be preparing a statement showing profit or loss. Profit or loss you have to find out during that year. Okay, for that is only single entry system. If you would have studied there, that same simple format only I will teach you again how you have to do that one. So you will have certain format for that, or simple format irukku. If you adapt that format, no, you can find out the net profit, that is profit or loss you can find out. So that net profit will be your starting point for your funds from operations calculation. Okay, so that one only we are going to do now. Okay, other than that adukaprom varakudiya procedures everything it remains the same. As you know, first of all, when question is given to you, you have to identify what all the current assets. Current assets means you have to straight away take to the step 1. Fixed assets means it will go to step 3. Okay, and depreciation anything is there means again one more thing, you have to prepare separate accounts for each asset and find out either purchase they have made or sold out. You have to find and accordingly have to take to step 3. Okay, then cash, cash at bank, stock, debtors, all the 4 items will go to step 1. I think no need to what is meant by step 1 sola தேவல. So these will go to step 1. Furniture, machinery, all the thing will go to step 3, and you have to prepare separate accounts and find out purchase or sale. Based upon that, you will take to step 3. This side has got over. Now coming to this side, capital, capital you have to keep this as old, because in joint stock company you will find out issue, okay, redemption. Based upon that you will put either in sources or application, but here you have to consider a little bit. So you have to keep a hold on this capital. Okay, that we have to discuss. Creditors is a current liability. So current liabilities, everything no, it will come under the step 1. Okay, creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft. If you come across, it will come under current liability. Bank overdraft different, loan from bank different. Bank loan is different, bank overdraft is different. Bank overdraft na immediately you have to pay within 6 months or 1 year. So you have to pay the due. Okay, above your limit sanction, if your bank is permitting you to withdraw certain amount, no, that is known as overdraft facility. That is overdraft. Bank overdraft is a current liability, whereas loan from bank is a long term liability. Current liability will go to step 1. Long term liability will go to step 3. Okay, so you have to think each and every term you have to sit and read. Okay, so you should not waste more time on reading the question itself. But even then, if you get familiar in working out many problems, no, you can easily get. You must know why we are doing that one, and you have to identify first of all. Then only you can work out the problem. So see here, creditors and then loan from Mrs. Karupan. So loan they have taken from an individual person. So the person sole trader is wife. Okay, so that is some liability only. Okay, so loan if you see means unless otherwise short term loan, trade loan like this, if they give only you will consider it as a current liability, or else you have to take it as a long term liability only. Okay, so loan from Canara Bank, loan from Mrs. Karpan, everything are long term liability here. Long term liability means step 3 you have to take. But how to take means rise ஆயிருக்கா இல்ல decrease ஆயிருக்கா you have to find out. Increased means loan additionally they have borrowed ன்னு அர்த்தம். Loan decrease ஆயிருந்ததுன்னா loan they have paid ன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, so take for example, இப்ப suppose வந்து here if you see loan is there. Okay, you should understand first of all. See here, if suppose 30,000 is here. Okay, here next year is 20,000 means now you have to identify whether they have paid the loan or they have borrowed the loan. Payment means it will come in application of funds, third step. If they are borrowed means it will come sources, because when you are borrowing loan, your fund is coming into the business. It's coming in means inflow. Sources like we have to show. So if you see here, no, 30,000 from that, no, 20,000 it has got reduced. That means that balance 10,000 what they have done, they have paid. You have to understand 10,000 they have paid ன்னு அர்த்தம். 30,000 இருந்தது 20,000 ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா 10,000 they have paid. Okay, similarly if suppose here some 50,000 something is there, here 75,000 is there. This means what is 50,000 இருந்த லோனை அடுத்த வருஷம் 75,000 75,000 ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா they have borrowed loan. They have got the loan. So for how much they have got means 25,000. They have borrowed loan. Okay, so they have borrowed loan means fund is coming in. While repaying that loan means it is applications. While borrowing means they will not mention you in the question loan borrowed, loan paid, anything will not be given. Just by looking at a glance from the amount going through that comparing itself, you can find out either paid or borrowed. Paid means application. Borrowed means fund is coming in. So you have to show under sources of funds. Okay. So 50,000 you have got earlier. 75,000 it has become now means 25,000 additional கடன் வாங்கியிருக்கீங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். So you have borrowed funds here 25,000. The difference only you have to take to the fund flow statement. Based upon borrowed and based upon paid, you have to show either in sources or application. If take for example 50,000 is here and here nothing is there, that means what? 50,000 they have borrowed last year. This year that 50,000 fully they have paid in artham. So வந்து what you will show in payment 50,000 only you have to show. Okay, payment la we have to show 50,000 repayment of loan of 50,000. Okay, where you will show application of funds you have to show fund flow statement la applications of funds kida loan paid repaid illa repayment of loan 50,000 because 50,000 irundhathu onume illa ipa zero na 50,000 they have paid nu artham. So same way here if it is no amount is given, here no amount is given here, but here 50,000 is there means then what it is meaning? Loan they have borrowed. Initially no loan was there, but now they have borrowed a loan of 50,000. So அப்ப borrow பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகுது? Same 50,000 only coming into the business, but it is coming borrow பண்ணும்போது it is coming into the business. So whenever it is coming means then that is known as sources of funds. Loan borrowed sources of funds, loan repaid application of funds. So you have to go through, they won't mention here paid or borrowed, nothing will be given. You have to identify by going through the amount. If you see here 60,000, all these will come in fund flow statement, third step only. Loan from Mrs. Karpan, loan from Canara Bank, both will come under fund flow statement only. 60,000, 68,000 means 8,000 additionally they have bought in artham. Loan they have borrowed here. Okay, 8,000 loan they have borrowed here. Here if you see loan from Canara Bank nil 50,000. That means what? Loan again they have borrowed. Nothing was there, now it is there means again they have borrowed. Loan they have borrowed. So it is again borrowed means it will come sources because fund is coming into the business. So loan borrowed will be shown under sources of funds in your fund flow statement step 3. Okay, so like this you have to go through. Depreciation charged on furniture and machinery means 10%. So depreciation you have to charge on the opening balance only always. So last question they have given the amount கொடுத்துட்டாங்கன்னா amount you can take. If they are not giving you the amount means then what you have to do no, on opening balance only you have to find out the depreciation amount. 10% on opening balance they have given, or else also opening balance only you have to calculate. So if for furniture and machinery 40,000 into 10 by 100 how much you find out? 20,000 into 10 by 100 how much you find out? That is your depreciation amount. So depreciation amount usually if you see it will come in the fund from operations calculate பண்ணும்போது you will be taking that into account. So all those things you have to remember. Then if you see Mr. Karpan withdrew 20,000 during the year for his personal expenses. As you know, personal use nale it is known as drawings. So sole trader business only this all these terms will come. So personal use means drawings. Okay, so this again you have to make some effect. Okay, all these information, capital information, then this drawing information, everything you will use how for a single entry system you will be finding out profit. In that same format you will adapt and calculate the profit here also. So that I will teach you how to find out profit, net profit, how to calculate. Okay, so first step we will do the working capital. That same step, first step you will do. Okay, so I think so you can do easily that one. So first step you can do. Second, before going for funds from operation calculation, you want to know the net profit information, for which you will be preparing a statement. So which you adapt for a single entry system. That statement you will prepare and find out the net profit. Okay, then fund from operations you will calculate, and then different working notes you have to do for furniture, machinery, all those things you have to prepare working notes. Okay, then you will prepare the fund flow statement. So these are the procedures for preparing this fund flow statement for this question.